What are some things have you heard? When you talk to users after the fact, that we can share with people, like common things that you've heard after the fact, where they say, "Boy, I really wish we would have done this."
Yeah, a couple that popped to my mind right away is you hear a lot of, we should have spent more time in the system. We should have spent more time understanding how the system works, setting our processes, instead of trying to duplicate how our system works today. A lot of times we get into these implementations and they're used to their system working a certain way, and they want to make Business Central the same system, right? And it's, instead of learning how it works and doing it, they end up starting to want to modify it, right? So we typically try to hold off on those enhancements until they really learn it, but in some cases they just never do. So that's one of the big ones we hear. The second one I hear a lot is data migration. That we didn't understand the effort it was going to take to get our data out, to scrub our data, to clean our data. So a lot of times if we do miss a timeline, it might be because of data migration, that it took way longer than what people were prepared or what they thought would take to get their data cleaned up. It's typically not getting the data into Business Central. We have some really good tools to bring in the data, but it's getting it out of a legacy system, cleaning the data up. They want to get clean it up, get rid of some stuff before they import it in. They don't want to bring in bad data. So we hear a lot of that. The data was much tougher sometimes for them to get out of their system.